Intraday trading, EMA 9 and 20, crossover strategy. Unlock intraday profits with a simple, effective strategy. Achieve high accuracy through diligent risk management. This strategy is well suited for stocks, forex and cryptocurrency markets. Exponential moving averages, EMAs. Explained, moving averages smooth price data. Identify trends, SMA versus EMA. EMA gives more weight to recent prices. EMA 9 and 20. Key to identifying short-term trends. EMA 9 reacts faster. Setting up your charts. TradingView, recommended for backtesting and real-time data. Timeframe, use 5-minute or 15-minute charts for intraday trading. Add EMAs. Add EMA 9 and EMA 20 indicators with standard settings. Entry rules. Identifying crossover signals. Bullish signal, bearish signal. Confirmation. Bullish signal. EMA 9 crosses above EMA 20. Confirm with volume surge and candlestick patterns. Avoid entries during high-impact news events. Exit rules. Locking in profits and cutting losses. Profit target 1.5x or 2x the initial risk. Stop loss. Below recent swing low, long. Trailing stop loss. Move stop loss as price increases. Backtesting results. Historical performance. Win rate. Average profit. Drawdown. Backtest on various assets for at least 6 months. Analyze win rate, average profit and drawdown. Aim for 60% plus win rate with 1.5 to 1 plus risk reward. Risk management. Protecting your capital 1 to 2%. Risk. Adjust position. Trading journal. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of capital per trade. Use a trading journal to track performance. Diversify across multiple assets to reduce overall risk. Conclusion: mastering the EMA crossover strategy, 60% plus, win rate 1.5 to 1 plus, risk reward 1 to 2%, risk cap, simple, effective and adaptable intraday trading strategy. Requires discipline and proper risk management. Continuous learning is crucial for success.